Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine and are eagerly waiting for today's EVS class. Today I have brought you an interesting lesson, Plants Around Us. But before going into the lesson, children, let us see what we will learn by the end of this class. Let us see the learning outcomes. You will be able to explain about types of flowers, describe how flowers get transformed into fruits, how butterflies, beetles and bees help plants, understand about germination of seeds, recognize the importance of trees in protecting environment, draw pictures of flowers and plants. Children, in the last class, in the episode 1, we have learnt about the plants around us. Let us see the main points. In the last class, we have learnt about types of plants like climbers, creepers, shrubs and trees. Various parts of the plant like roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits and their uses to the plant. The uses of the plants as source of food to the people and also their livelihood. Let us understand the keywords that we come across in this lesson. Seeds. Seeds. Pillalu, seeds ante ginjalu. Okay. Germination. Germination is nothing but, children, the birth of a baby plant from the seed. This is called as germination. Very good. Let's go to the next picture. Nursery. See, this is a nursery, children. Aren't the flowers very beautiful? In nurseries, we have thousands of varieties of plants and tree saplings, children. Okay. In the nurseries, we have such type of plants. Decomposers. See here, children, did you guess what this is? You'll find a lot in the rainy season. These are nothing but the earthworms. They are the decomposers. An example for the decomposers. Yes, this is a flower. In this flower, a sweet nectar or honey will be there, children, and the bees, they come to suck that nectar. Now you understood what nectar is? See the weed. Weed means undesirable plants in the fields. We have to weed them out. Vatini 𝗂𝗽𝗍𝗧, weeds ni. Okay. Next we have environmental protection. Children, always we have to keep our surroundings neat and clean, and we have to plant more saplings so that they grow and protect our environment. We have to keep the saplings. Okay. What are they, children? They are the pollen grains in the flower. The yellow powdery structures in this flower, they are called as pollen grains. Okay. Let us see a video now, children.
Wow, the flowers are so beautiful. They are of different shapes, sizes and colors. These are roses. They have scent. These are marigold, banti puvu. These are hibiscus, mandara. These are chrysanthemums, chamanti. I like flowers very much. Some people say the flowers for their livelihood. Yes.
You have seen the video, no, children? It was beautiful, isn't it? See, children, this is dispersal. Dispersal is nothing but the spread of the things. Here we see in the fruit capsule, the seeds are spreading out. This is nothing but dispersal. When they fall on the soil and have the favorable conditions, they will grow into new plants. Okay, children, let us see the next picture. Pollution. See this, children, lot of air pollution, isn't it? From the chimneys they are coming. These gases are very harmful for us. So in order to avoid such type of air pollution, we have to plant the saplings. But this pollution is not good for our health. What is this, children? Fertile soil. This is a fertile soil. They have minerals and nutrients in them and help the plants to grow well. Okay, children? Understood? Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Pomegranates. Wow, the fruits are so beautiful, isn't it, children? Let us see how they are formed. Transformation of flowers into fruits. Transformation is nothing but changing of flowers into fruits. Here we see a bud of the pomegranate flower. We see the bud. Okay. Next we see the bud as opened. It has become a flower, even the petals have opened. And here we see the flower, slowly it is changing into a small pomegranate fruit. And in the next picture you see it is growing into a big pomegranate fruit. Now you understood, children, how the flowers get transformed into fruits? Now we will see how actually the flowers are transformed into fruits. What is happening? See, here you find a butterfly and a honeybee sitting on a flower. Here also you find some bees sitting on the flower. Okay? And here you see a beetle sitting on an opened flower. And here many butterflies sitting on the flowers. They are sitting on the flowers and they are doing something. They are drinking the nectar. So the butterfly is getting the nectar and the flower is also benefited. How it is being benefited? It will change into a fruit. When these butterflies, bees and beetles, when they come and rest on the flowers and drink the honey, then the flowers will be changed into fruits. Did you get it, children? Yes, very good. See, children, how the pomegranate flower has changed into a fruit. We see here a guava flower. It's changing into a fruit. Yes. And we see here a brinjal flower changing into a brinjal. Isn't it amazing, children? This happens only when the birds, bees, butterflies, beetles, when they visit the flowers. You will still learn about it in the higher classes. Let us learn about the fruits, vegetables which have seeds in them. See this, children? The guava is having seeds in them, isn't it? Here the bitter gourd, it is having seeds in it. Apple is having a seed in it. Few seeds it has. And you find the peas also having peas in it, the seeds. Here pomegranate is having seeds. And the grapes are also having seeds in them. Custard apple having these seeds in the pulp. And here we find a mango fruit with a single seed here. Here a slice of watermelon with black seeds in it. Okay, children, see, all the fruits, they have the seeds in them, but they are of various shapes, sizes and colors, isn't it? And all are not same. Some fruits are having many seeds in them, and some fruits, they are having only one seed in them. Okay, children? See, children, this is a banyan tree. It is so big, isn't it? But the fruit is very small. And then we have very small seeds, banyan seeds in this. The seed is so small and the tree is so big. See the canopy? It is very big. In Mahbubnagar, you see that Pillalamari tree. It is very big. It extends to few kilometers. Isn't it amazing, children? Let us see the discussion in the groups here. Which fruits that we eat have seeds in them? Mango, papaya have seeds in them. Okay? Are the seeds of all fruits alike? No, the seeds of all fruits are different. Do you know how many seeds do different fruits have? Yes, you're right. Some fruits have many seeds. Some have only one seed. Very good. Baga chepparu. Write the names of the fruits which have only one seed. Yes, you're right. Mango and plum have only one seed. Write the names of the fruits and vegetables which have many seeds. Yes, baga chepparu pillalu. Oranges and watermelons have many seeds. Tomatoes and peas have many seeds. Very good. Let us go to the next picture. Here we see the coconut tree. It is so big with the coconuts. See here the coconut saplings, how they are growing. The seed is also very big. The coconut fruit is also very big. Even the tree is very big. See this, children? These are the castor seeds. The seed coat is very hard, children. And these are the sesame seeds, nuvulu. Because the seed coat is very hard for the castor, it will take longer time for germination, and here they will germinate early as the seed coat is very soft. Got it, children? Yes. Let us see what a germination of a seed is. As I've told you earlier, germination is nothing but the birth of a baby plant from the seed. Okay. And see the root, how it is appearing. The seed absorbs lots of water, it bursts open and the root appears. And the root grows downwards and even a plumule appears and it grows. See, it is growing and the root is attaching itself in the soil. When it grows, children, these leaves, they produce the food, and the cotyledonary leaves which were giving the food till now, they will dry up, shrink and fall down. Let us see what are the conditions for the germination of a seed. Air, water and temperature are essential for the germination of a seed. Got it, children? Very good. Yes, children, the seeds, they germinate only in the fertile soil. You know what is fertility? When they are having nutrients and minerals in them, they help the seed to germinate. That is called as a fertile soil. Seeds germinate only in the fertile soil. Earthworms. See, children, these are the earthworms we find mostly in the rainy season. As I've told you, they are also the decomposers. What they do is, they eat all the dead matter like twigs or leaves present in the soil and they excrete it. That means they release the nutrients into the soil and also make the soil fertile. And also, children, these earthworms, they act like small plows. Chinna nagalilaga avi pani chesi em chestante they make holes in the soil and see that the water and the air is reaching the roots so that the plant grows very well. Hence, they are increasing the fertility of the soil. They are also called as the farmer's friends. Earthworms are known as farmer's friends. They increase the fertility of the soil. You understood, children? Very good. Yes. Here we see a Parthenium weed. Weed means kalupu mokka. Children, this came into our country when we were importing wheat grains from America. And this is called as Vayari Bhama in Telugu. The pollen of this weed, it will cause irritation of eyes, skin allergy and lung problems. It will create, children. So we should eliminate such type of weeds. They are found on roadsides and open spaces. Okay, children, what they do is they lessen the production of the crops. So we have to weed them out. Dispersal of seeds by air, water, animals, birds, human beings. As I've told you, dispersal means spread. Spread by all these things. Let us see how they are dispersed by the air first. Dispersal of seeds by the air. See here, children, the dried up flower, it has seeds in it. See, it has white tuft hair and it is blowing away with the help of the wind. It is spreading into other areas. This is the dispersal by the air. And also we see here 𝗘𝗅𝗺𝗺 𝗳𝗠𝗠 plant, children. After it dries up the flower, the seeds are formed inside like this. This also is blown away by the air, and when they fall on the soil and covered with the soil, in favorable conditions they will grow into a plant, new plant. Understood, children? Dispersal of seeds by water. See here, children, there are many coconut trees here, and they may be having coconuts, and few coconuts they might have fallen in the water, and they are drifting towards the seashores. They will germinate into a new coconut sapling and grow into a coconut tree. Dispersal of seeds by animals. See here, children, the elephant, what is it doing? It is eating a fruit. See, the whole fruit it is eating, and the fruit is digested by its digestive system, and then the seed is thrown out. How? When the elephant moves some distance away, it will excrete or it will poop. Then what will happen? The seed will fall in the dung of the elephant. When the favorable conditions arrive, a new sapling arises. Okay, children? And here in the same way, this another animal also, it has plucked some fruit and it is eating. It goes somewhere, it eats and throws the seeds somewhere else. So, the seeds are dispersed in such a manner and they grow in different areas. And here, see this, children? Isn't it strange? The seed is in the shape of a tiger's claw. In Telugu, it is called as 𝗪-కుండికాయ. See, children, on these seeds, in case the animals like sheep or cattle, if they sit down, this claw will get attached to the body with hair of the sheep or the cattle, and when they move somewhere else and when they shake themselves, these seeds they will fall down, and when the soil is covered on these seeds, they will develop into new plants. Isn't it amazing, children, how these animals also helping in dispersal of seeds and growing of new plants in different places. Here we see dispersal of seeds by birds. See here a bird, it is eating a berry. See, children, it may carry the berry to some other place and eat it. It may eat the whole fruit or throw away the seed, or it may excrete the seed in a different place, and then that will grow in a different area. So, in this way, the seeds are dispersed by the birds also in different areas. Did you understand, children? Yes, very good. Dispersal of seed by human beings. Here we see a person, he is holding a fruit, a dried fruit which is having seeds in it, and he is just throwing them away. And even when the people they grow on the agricultural fields, what do? They sprinkle the seeds. And even when we go to the picnic, children, there we eat the fruits and all, we throw away the seeds. And in the meantime, when the soil is collected on these seeds, when it rains, they will grow up into new plants. Isn't it amazing? Yes. See, children, these are the nurseries. These are the nurseries. They are polyhouses or shade net nurseries. Children, many types, thousands of varieties of plants are grown in these nurseries, like these ornamental flower plants for decorative purpose, and then we have medicinal plants, fruit bearing saplings in the nurseries, vegetables, and wood bearing saplings also you may find, like teak, sal, kanuga, such type of trees, bamboo, they are also found in the nurseries. So these nurseries are very, very important and essential, children. They avoid the pollution of the environment, and we can purchase lots of plants from the nurseries and keep them in our houses also, wherever we have the place, even in our schools. And they counter the pollution, As many trees we have, the pollution will decrease. So we have to plant the saplings. Okay, children? We can see thousands of varieties of plants in nurseries. Varieties of plants in the nurseries. Here you find the bonsai plant. It is actually a decorative plant that we keep in the houses. See, in such a small tray, the bonsai plant is grown. Actually, it is a skill of the Japanese people, and we are also nowadays trying to sell these bonsai plants. They are cultivating such type of plants. Okay, children, here we have the orchid. This orchid grows in the moist regions where rain falls. And this is a cactus. Where are they found? You're right. They are found in the desert. See the flowers, they are so beautiful, isn't it, children? They usually grow in the deserts and these in the moist region. But in the nurseries, we can find all of them in controlled conditions. Okay, children, let us move to the next one. Biodiversity. See, children, biodiversity means different types of plants. See the ferns and some other plants here. They are growing usually in the moist rain-falling region. Mostly rain falls, they grow. And here this is a cactus plants. These are the cactus plants. They grow in the desert. And these are plants which grow in the plains. But when they are grown in a single place, it is called as biodiversity, children. Bio means living. Diversity means variation. Here we are dealing only about the plants. So I am showing only about the plants here. Growing diverse varieties of plants from different regions in one place is called biodiversity. Got it, children? Yes. See here, children, pollution. This is soil pollution. See the garbage on the soil. And here so much of air pollution from the chimneys, factories and industries. So much of pollution is emanating, isn't it? It is very bad for us. Okay, children. So what we have to do in order to counter pollution, we have to do plantations on war footing. See, children, what they are doing? They are planting the saplings, Vana Mahotsava or the Haritaharam, as we do in Telangana. Not only planting and watering on the single day on that day, children, we have to do that every day. We have to water them. Not only water, we have to even keep the fence around it. Tree guards or sapling guards we have to keep so that the animals won't eat them. And children, we have to do that on a war footing so that we can save our planet Earth from the pollution. Let us do some exercises, children. Discuss with your friends and list out the benefits of the trees to human beings. The trees give us air, food, grains, vegetables, fruits, wood, medicines. To animals, they give air, shelter, fodder. And to birds, they give air, shelter and fruits. See, they give so many things to us, the trees. Without air or the oxygen, we cannot live at all. So the trees are very, very essential for us. Write the answers to the following questions. What are nurseries? How are they useful? A nursery is a place where a wide variety of plants are grown. They are useful in protecting the environment. What are the conditions required for germination of seeds? Air, water and temperature are required for germination of seeds. Who are farmers' friends? Earthworms are farmers' friends. Field observations. Write the different stages of seed germinations, children. Here Madhu has done that for us. Let us read what he has written. The seeds gets air, water and warmth. Seed coat breaks and root emerges. The new plant develops roots and shoots. Plant grows in size and develops leaves. Cotyledons shrink and disappear. See this, children? Got it? Very good. Raju planted a rose plant. It did not grow well. It dried up. Imagine what could be the reasons. Raju did not water the plant regularly. See, it has shriveled. Because he didn't water regularly, it has shriveled or it is getting dried up. Expression of ideas by drawing pictures. Draw the diagram showing how the flower changes into a fruit. See here, Deena has done the drawing for us. See, children, the bud of a flower. It has opened. It still has opened over here. And here it is changed into a small fruit. It is growing into a big pomegranate fruit. Got it, children? Very good. Expression of ideas by drawing pictures. Draw the diagram of your favorite flower, color it and write about it. Here, Jayanti has done the drawing for us. Let us see what she has written on this flower. This is a rose flower. It is red in color. Rose is very beautiful. I have many rose plants of different colors. I like roses. You also do like this, children, but neatly you do. Appreciation, values and awareness towards biodiversity. Why should we plant trees? Why should we protect them? Write a few slogans to support this. We should plant trees to protect the environment and save the earth. Let us see some slogans. పచ్చని చెట్లు ప్రగతికి మెట్లు. మొక్కలను నాటుదాం, పర్యావరణం రక్షిద్దాం. Save trees, save life. Don't make trees rare, keep them with care. Very good. Appreciation, values and awareness towards biodiversity. Your friend is growing some plants carefully in the school premises. How do you feel when you see her taking care of these plants? I feel happy when my friend is taking care of the plants. Even I will try to plant saplings and take care of them in the school and in my garden. What we have learned today. Today we have learnt about the process of flowers changing into fruits, how butterflies, bees, birds help the plants, conditions required for germination of seeds, the way the earthworms help in making the soil fertile, how dispersal of seeds take place, uses of nurseries and biodiversity. Okay, children, what we have learnt in the 2 episodes of Plant Around Us, we shall see in a video form. Okay? That's all for today, children. And water the plants twice a day. And then keep a bowl of water for the birds. Many birds die due to lack of water. That's all for today. Thank you, children. Bye.